Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. Myself, Brijesh Bhatia. I wish all my subscribers happy Janmashtami. Starting on with the Nifty. Nifty yesterday, being a weekly expiry, tried to resist around 18,000 mark. Though on the first half of the session, we saw Nifty trending around 17,880, 17,870. Most of the time it was below 17,900, but second half it came back very strongly, and in the end managed to close 12 point plus. SGX Nifty as of now indicating a negative opening of around 34 points odd. Now if I just look at the charts, the trend line, which is very convincingly trending above the resistance zone, the breakout has been very eminent. If I go on to the hourly chart, every dip has been bought very aggressive. If you look at the momentum over here, though couple of negative candles over here, bars, then we saw again a very bullish momentum. So as of now, I believe 17,050 will be acting as a support for a short term. 17,760 could be the good area to look for a long biased into the markets. One important one important data I want to highlight over here is if I just look at the Nifty 50 stocks, which are trending above their 200 days average, and if I just look at the tally, nearly 42 stocks, which is nearly 80% of the stocks are trading above their 200 days average. And if I go slightly couple of months back when we were in June, where the fear was at extreme higher level, these numbers were into single digit. So the breadth is coming back very strongly. And even if I look at the Nifty 500, which is the broader market picture, if you look at 319 stocks, so which is nearly 64% of their Nifty 500 stocks are trending above that 200 days average. So again, it is a sign of a positive market breadth over here. So I believe the momentum is very stronger in the recent leg of rally. And coming back onto the charts, if I go on to the Bank Nifty, even I posted this chart yesterday in my Telegram group. So in case you are not following me Telegram, you can follow me there. And if I go on to the daily chart, look at the resistance zone which we were discussing, 39,000, 39,500 has been convincingly taken out, and we closed above the resistance zone, which is very important. So I believe every dip 39,400, 39,350 could be an excellent opportunity to go long. I still believe we are heading much higher into the Bank Nifty, which could take Nifty or lead Nifty to the higher levels. Nifty, as I discussed, Bank Nifty, I am targeting at least 41,000 levels, 40,800, 41,000. Nifty, even in previous video I have highlighted, once the breakout has happened at 17,800, I am eyeing at least 18,300 levels, which is the second leg of resistance over here. So bulls can continue to hold. Coming on to the expiry, because this next week will be the monthly expiry, and if I look at the expiry, still 18,000 calls are holding the highest OI, so which may act as a minor resistance zone in today's session. Being a weekly close is very important. And if I just go on to the weekly over here, after a long time, we are witnessing a breakout, and a weekly close above this will be a very convincing move. I would be happy if we close above 18,115, which is the previous highs, or the week. So the weekly close above 18,115. That could be again a game changer for the weekly charts. But yes, still we are closing above the trend line. So weekly close above this is very important. And if you look at the open and low of this week, is very near. So I believe 17,760, as I said, could be the good area to go long in case markets dip over here. Again, to sum up, Nifty is trending very bullish. Don't miss this Bank Nifty rally. I believe Bank Nifty is very poised for a big up move coming into the and if you remember, I have done a video when it was trending around 300 some levels, where I highlighted Bank Nifty could be the one, and if we have seen around 1,300, 1,400 points of rally into the Bank Nifty since then, and I still believe we are heading much higher into the Bank Nifty, which could lead Nifty. and market breadth, as I discussed, is coming back very strongly in the recent leg of rally. So have a profitable day. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.